Many promising software as a service startups fall into this highly competitive market. The SaaS model has made scalability and licensing easier, but it has also made it more difficult to demonstrate the value of a product to customers. Getting their attention quickly is key, so successful marketing your SaaS product basically boils down to having good UX. Over years of researching the best ways to improve our client's SaaS user experience, our team has come up with a core set of strategies that we follow. These rules can be applied to any SaaS product, whether B2B, B2C or market-specific. Hi there, my name is Anastasia and I'm a head of business analysis and product management here at Cieden. And today we'll be sharing 8 of these strategies that you can use to boost your SaaS sales in 2022. So let's get into it. First off, improving onboarding. Getting call to action responses can be exciting, but it's important to remember that it's just the beginning. It's been shown that when onboarding is too long and complicated, 86% of users will abandon it. At the same time, if you want a long-term partnership, don't rush a customer to sign up immediately after responding to a call to action. In the absence of a consistent and significant onboarding process, early sign-ups may quickly unsubscribe. Ideally, a potential customer should be able to see and understand the product's value before, or at least during, pricing page or sign-up form. When people see what your SaaS can do, they'll want to become members of your community. If a customer only learns about your technology the first time they visit landing page, it creates a bad impression and lack of interest in the proposed value. You can do various things during and after registration to ensure that you are truly on board with your plan and that your product is the best solution to their problems. Strategies like using a demo video to effectively show off the technology and functionality of the platform, offering a free trial period for people to try out the platform, inserting value reminders into the registration process, and arranging for proactive help from support team. The next strategy is optimizing your pricing page. When your customers get to the landing page, it isn't the most important part of their journey. The pricing page really tells you if the whole process went well. A real value exchange takes place when a new customer pays to accept your offer. This is basic psychology. People rarely just give money away, and even people who are really excited about the deal think about it before they agree to it. If anything distracts, frustrates, or confuses them at this moment, they may just quit the process. The design of a pricing page needs to be based on a lot of research and user testing. This will show you what's missing, problems with your target client's visual data organization, and how competitors with more sales approach this stage. For example, HubSpot saw an increase in 165% in marketing qualified leads and a nearly 90% increase in people using free products after redesigning their pricing page. UX design offers a wide range of ways to think about human psychology. One possible solution is to design a pricing page that emphasizes gains rather than losses associated with spending money. This can be achieved by using tailored microcopy with basic heuristic rules, UI solutions that highlight your features and benefits, or specific price formatting. Next up is using video to improve activation. Modern customers like to be amused. Nicholas Carr was right when he wrote the article, "Is Google making us stupid?" People are slowly giving up with the practice of deep reading. Whether this trend is good or bad, a SaaS founder must effectively use this trend in product design. If you need to tell a customer something important about your product, make a short video or a podcast instead of writing a long article. The statistics are clear. 72% of people prefer videos to text to learn about products, and 87% would like to see more video content from companies. Videos are great for homepage greetings, walkthroughs, customer testimonials, case studies, and instructional videos. You can then simultaneously add video funnels to your main web platform. Creating a YouTube channel with educational content, updates, and vlogs is a popular strategy for the most of people, which is exactly what we're doing here. The fourth strategy is improving reactivation. Your detractors are the most valuable customers, and if you pay attention to them, these users could be the most important contributors to your SaaS product's development. This is crazy valuable opportunity to figure out what caused some clients to abandon your product and then fix it. The term for this is customer churn. It's normal for an average-sized SaaS to lose 5 to 7% of customers each year. There are many reasons someone might stop using the product. They may just simply be outside your target audience. Customer churn is usually highest following the time to market stage. And if the product is too new and unique, you could suffer the same fate as Google Glass. Goodbye isn't always forever. But many people leave because the company didn't pay attention to their needs and challenges. It could be a lack of onboarding, a poor in-app experience, an inability to show product value, poor customer service, market changes, or simply refusal to pay after a free trial because they believe that you misrepresented the product. When these issues are identified, you can use them to reduce churn and even bring back users who already left. The SaaS industry has seen many instances when the right steps to improve the product brought customers back and even saved the company from crashing and burning. A great example is the CRM platform of a big stationery store called PaperSource. After the outbreak of COVID-19, they were close to going out of business. But thanks to a series of effective design solutions that transitioned customers from in-store to online, the company saw a 126% increase in reactivation rates. UX design offers many solutions to regain customer trust. There is preventive research methods, communication renewal strategies, customization, and so on. Number 5 is improving retention. Keeping existing customers is more important than acquiring new ones. Just about any marketing textbook will tell you that it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than it does to retain an existing one. This understanding, however, does not help with SaaS business, where customer retention can be more difficult compared to other industries and markets. When someone buys a new car, it's not likely that they will return it the next day or even in a month. It would take years to see all the benefits and competitive advantages of the brand before the time came to make the next purchase. When a client buys a SaaS product, they have to choose from a wide range of similar services, especially in mature markets with many high-end competitors. And because of the fluidity of the virtual environment, a user can easily exit your platform at any time with a single click. You can of course use tricks like lower-priced quarterly or annual subscriptions, but this would only work with clients who are already loyal and confident in their decision. So how can you make them stay? There are numerous UX design solutions that help your SaaS project's retention capacity. This include more comprehensive customer support, long-term loyalty accumulation systems, value-reminding marketing strategies, educational programs, progressive price optimization, retention metrics analysis, UX personalization, and gamification. Strategy number 6 is understanding your clients better than anyone. Nowadays, you need to do more than just collect customer feedbacks. SaaS giants like Apple, Google, and Facebook routinely recommend assigning stars or completing a brief survey to rate the quality of a feature or service. The issue is that when a customer sees that nothing changed after several trials, the entire concept loses meaning in their eyes. But that's not always the case. Ukrainian startup Grammarly shows how to do it well. It goes beyond the standard procedure of leaving feedback in the form of formalized questionnaires and service reports. Instead, the company proposes users to participate in the product testing and development directly. Even users can suggest corrections, amendments, and contributions to grammar in a real-time mode while using the application. What's more, their suggestions are immediately taken into consideration. As a result, Grammarly dodged 2 bullets. They engaged their users in the product co-creation process, giving them a sense of belonging and gaining popularity points. They also showed how effective feedback can be and how it can save a SaaS company a lot of money. Instead of building a complex algorithm from scratch, they used user feedback and cognitive resources to continuously improve their product. This is an example of how UX design can save you millions of dollars while increasing profits with minimal effort. Number 7 is converting the customer feedback into your product strategy. It is not always possible to use customer engagement in product development as directly as Grammarly did. This is determined by the market field, the specifics of product, and the technical solutions that support it. But you can always categorize customer feedback, analyze it competently, and make relevant product improvement decisions. This is more than simply responding to feedback about specific problem, error, or deficiency. Such tasks are handled by the support team. Converting feedback into strategy entails incorporating insights from the project's concept, roadmap, white paper, and other visionary documents. This includes user testing, feedback analysis, classification and segmentation, data filtering, hypothesis, and other UX techniques. And strategy number 8 is make your clients your sales force. If you do not include a referral program in your SaaS, you're passing up a huge opportunity to increase sales. The traditional multi-level marketing strategies' success pale in comparison to the potential of SaaS platforms. Previous generations of MLM dealers had to work long hours and days going door to door or making cold calls on phone. Today, we are full-fledged internet citizens with profiles in many social communities. We can build networks of thousands of friends and followers and then connect to even more users around the world. And these networks are already organized around common interests, making communication and general understanding easier. As a result, highly motivated clients can become eager marketers because it costs them nothing. They can easily share your products with a large group of people who share similar interests. Engage them in the sales process with a referral program, and you've got a group of potential customers. So how can you accomplish this strategy? There are a variety of options. Along with direct invitation bonuses, you may develop long-run incentive systems, such as accumulated rewards, multi-level partnership programs, compound interest based on the length of time a product is used, discount programs for clients onboarding via referral links, like Binance, to simplify sales partner negotiations. A bonus strategy that we use frequently here at Cieden is optimizing sales funnels and removing the barriers. But that will be covered in a separate video set to be released soon. Hopefully these strategies help you to see the additional potential of UX design to increase your SaaS earnings. The UX potential for improvement and innovation in the SaaS model is truly limitless. If you're interested in diving deeper into more of the strategies used by our team, check out the link to our blog post below. And if you require assistance with your SaaS startup, please contact us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.